Hello friends, welcome back to Easy More Technology. Hit the red button of subscribe to get notified about all our videos. Our today topic is how to run our project in another PC. How to run our project in another PC without creating any MDF file. Here is so many steps. You can also take a screenshot of that which may be used in this video. Since on internet there is so many steps, but you cannot find these steps. It's so cheap and take less time. Let's follow these steps. First of all, I need to go to location. Now click on my computer or this PC. Now go to C folder, C drive, then go to program files, then go to my MS SQL server. Then here you need to search data folder. And you can double click on it, first option. As you can see, all the SQL server database are stored here. You only need to copy it from, right click on it, just copy it from here. There is, as you can see, there is two files as like, oh shit. There is two files, SQL server database, primary data file, and then SQL is SQL server database. Wait a minute. I'm just close it. Yes. As you can see, there is two files. First one is SQL server. Here is SQL server transaction log file. And there is SQL server database primary data file. You need to copy SQL server database primary data file, not log file. Just right click on it, then copy it, and copy it in your pen drive or in external drive if you want, as you wish. Then cut it. Now another step is plug in this pen drive in another computer. Now I have only one PC, so I can run this on my computer. I'm just inserted my pen drive. As you can see, there is so many database available in it. I'm just deleted log file, and then open Visual Studio. I have Professional 2013, and then press Ctrl, Alt, Ctrl and S. As you can see, Server Explorer is open. You can also find it here and from View option. As you can see, Server Explorer and Ctrl plus Alt plus S. Here is a shortcut key. Open Server Explorer, right click on it, then click on Add Connection. Here you need to write down your server name. Now the major problem is, what's your server name? For server name, minimize all the windows and open SQL Server Management Studio. Double click on it to open it. It will take time to open. Yes, As you can see, server name, and my server name is Dell/SQL Express. Copy it from here, then here you need to close it. I also need to close it. Copy it here. Then select attach your database file. Then browse the file from your pen drive. And just pen drive, and just click on it. As you can see, there is 4 database available. I'm just open it, DB Medicare. Open it. As you can see, it's a data file, but it make it .mdf master database file. It will automatically generate it. Click on OK. Then as you can see, there is also a connection is made. As you can see, my table is also in here. My all store procedure is also available. Wait a minute. Yes. As you can see, my all store procedure, my all tables is available. No one is lost. Now click on open project. I have also copy Medicare system project from my friend PC. Just open it. Select .sln file, solution file. Open it. As you can see, my friend Rohit and Sanjeev work on it. Now here, you need to change your connection string of your database, because your PC from first PC, your connection string is another, then in here your server is being different, then your connection string also change. Then change connection string in app.config in your project. As you can see, here is app.config file. Double click on it. Now there is a connection string. Open Server Explorer, right click on it, go to property. As you can see, there is connection string. Double click on it, then copy it. Here and just copy it here and just save it. Now and just run this software, run this application. Now the software is in working, it's in progress. As you can see, all the database is retrieved. Thanks for watching this video, friends.